Hello and welcome to my new Blender car modeling tutorial, and today we're gonna keep unwrapping the car. Firstly, we're gonna do this rear wing because it actually hasn't got much work to do on it. Let's see if we can get best reference. The better the reference, the better for us, that's for sure. One is not loading quickly. Yeah. So first steps first, let's again remove doubles. Now let's quickly just reset it. Set cursor to the very center. No. Okay, like this. gy minus 0.375 again, gx minus 0.375. Great. Okay, we are now seeing better, and okay, it's loaded up. So it was just one split there and around the wheel as well. So it just continues from here and goes straight all the way to the lamp. So mark sharp, and here of course. So it's something like this, yeah. Okay, maybe this one could be not sharp anymore, because it's not sharp when I look here. It's already blended there. Okay, and now let's add edge split modifier and edge angle only. Great. It seems to have a sharp edge there as well, like here. I can't tell really. Okay. It's a bit sharp there. Yes, it seems so. So how would we make that? It's like possibly here. And then going straight there. Maybe this way? Let's assume so. Okay, I guess this must work. So let's make it sharp here. And of course here. It's sorted this way, and maybe one more sharp element above it here. Or maybe not. Let's just leave that one. Yeah. Okay, so now let's get to the unwrapping point of this. Okay. Firstly, we've got to make edges around. Yeah, that's basically all that we need. Those deep edges, or whatever you choose to call them. Let's not select the corners, though. Those are tasks for later moments. When I'm selecting here, need those. And yeah, it's deep even there. It's kind of weird, but it really is bad, the part there. And yeah, everywhere through here. Okay, so GY.75 GX.25, and we've got them. Firstly, let's get to those, all of these which are facing no, not that one. Those, they're facing this way, but we need them. Firstly medium point, and then R90, and see, okay, this is inverse for all of the top parts. So again, R180, and it's correct now. Let's rotate this by R180, and let's quickly set up this GY.5 GX.25. Let's get closer. Look, R90, R90, R90. Great. And here, GY.5 GX.25, and it's correct. Great. We're lucky, because I don't like it rotating those triangles. It's really annoying. R9, R-90, R9. Okay, let's select all of them first. R90. Now those two corners, GY.5 GX.25, and now let's see, R90, R180, and we've got it there as well. But yeah, it actually looks like that there. Huh, I didn't expect it to look so correct. It's great. It's great that it looks correct. Okay, now in this triangle, R90, and where's, it's hard to tell, where is that? Oh, but wait, I've got to take this outwards a bit, even a bit more, and oh, this one as well. Basically most of this heel part. So yeah. Okay, now let's get to this part without that one. Why don't we see it in edit mode? I don't know. Okay, like that, and those are R180. Great. Here it's gonna be GY.5 and GX.25 again, and it already set itself to correct. R90, R180. What? R90. I've lost it. R-90. Oh, it's correct now. R-90. R180. Okay, and 180 for all of those. Great. For some reason, when normal mapped, it kind of looks more advanced, at least in my opinion. It kind of adds the feeling of that paint shader. It's stronger there. This one is GY.75. Wow. GY.75 and GX.25. R-90. Right. This corner. GY.5 GX.25. let's set cursor here. And come on. So, is it correct? Yeah, it's not. But R180 firstly. Okay. So GX.25 R minus 90. Okay. It's still not working. GX.25 R minus 90. Now it's correct. Great. And those ones, of course, are firstly set to median point R90. Okay, and R180 them opposite. Great, and we'll basically unwrap this. I think it looks good enough here. I especially like the part around the door for some reason. Yeah, and so what's left for us? The bottom part, which will need several editings. Oh, before we go, delete this one. Shift D, S6-1, Ctrl E, scale, tab, mesh normals, flip normals, and rename it to the left, rear left wing. Okay, great, get it. And possibly yeah, I've still got a lot of time. The wing went pretty fast, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna do the roof as well. Again, what you're gonna do first is you're gonna firstly look where it's sharp and where it's not. It's hard to memorize anyways. Okay, so select all and remove doubles. Now let's start. It's pretty obvious that you need the mirror to be sharp, those edges, and possibly those edges as well. I don't remember about our outer edges. Possibly I'm gonna leave them like they are. Let's not add some additional geometry which is not needed anyways. Let's make those sharps though. Okay, I don't know how to access these edges, so okay, those ones show as well, and I'll already add edge split. Okay, now let's get it on with those edges here. So all the border around window, it's of course sharp. It's pretty clear that it's sharp. It couldn't be else way. And by the way, we're not gonna make those edge splitted anymore. We can use a bit different sharpness method. We can use the normal method to add that like crease at that point where it's joined between those arches and the top surface plane. Oh yeah, I need. What did I just select? Just undo. Okay, and make it all sharp there, and all sharp around the window again. I think this had something sharp. Okay, it's not visible anyways. We don't need it to be sharp at all. Okay, and sharp here as well. Okay, let's mark sharp already. What else? Why doesn't this look sharp enough? Okay, it wasn't marked at that point for some reason. Now it is. Oh, we've got some joints here, so let's make this part sharp as well. Okay, this is way better. For double safety, let's make it sharp there also. Wow, how is this possible? The face shares two materials. Wow. Huh. Is it a glitch or something like that? I don't know. I can just ignore it for now. But did I just... oh, mark sharp here as well. I don't know if it's needed, but I'd better do it. What else? It's not well noticeable place anyways, and I really don't see anything else that requires to be sharp. So I'm not gonna make it sharp there. Okay, and this piece on the top is sharp, that's for sure. Okay, and what about those? Oh, they're separate. Well, yeah, one more check. I'm not sure about those. Let's leave them. I think that it's good enough already. So we're gonna now go ahead and select only the faces. We choose pen material for now. Select them, and you reset scale 0.25, G1 minus 0.375 and GX minus 0.375, and it's first step. Now let's get to the specific parts which requires specific normal maps, and it's gonna be everything around those window borders and especially the roof borders. Let's start with the roof borders. Let's firstly select the non-corner parts. GY 0.75, GX 0.25. Let's see. E92. Did I really get them? No. E90. E180. Okay. Now corners. GY 0.5, GX 0.25. minus 90. No. 90. Yeah. And 180. Great. First step. So quick. That's great. Of course. Now, of course, here's gonna be one big straight line of sharp edge normals. GY 0.75 and GX 0.25. E90 or 180. Okay, this is great, and perfectly the same happens on the other side here. Exactly the same thing. And I'm afraid, or I'm glad to say that this is gonna be it. Or 180. Yes, we've got it. We have you unwrapped paint everywhere except the last topic remaining for the next lesson, which is the bottom part, where we're gonna do some little bit of editing with materials as well. Okay, hordes, this is it for this time. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope that you like the results so far. It's almost finished at the paint part. The UVs are so well so much done, so there's so small amount remaining, but there's gonna be the very difficult part where we are gonna bake all the normals for grills or for lamps here as well, for all of the metal details everywhere, and for interior. It's gonna be the most difficult. We're gonna do some many complex stuff here, making many little details, buttons, everything there. But once we'll have done it, we'll have a great model here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next tutorial.